Hi friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So it's the week 5 of the Arbitrum Odyssey quest and we're going to be kicking off this week by visiting Dodo Exchange. We are here to make a swap, so you're going to first connect your wallet. So you're going to check that checkbox to show that you have approved to their terms of service. Then you're going to choose which network you want to connect with. Of course, we are doing Arbitrum task, so I'll be choosing Arbitrum. Then if you scroll to the bottom, you are going to choose MetaMask. Tap on connect. Okay, so here you can literally make a swap between any token pair of your choice, but for the purpose of the next task, I'm going to be using USDC. So this time we are not using USDC as we have been using in previous weeks. We are going to use the normal USDC. So if I cannot see it on the list here, so I'm going to search for it. I'm going to search for USDC. So like I said, we are not dealing with USDC today. We are dealing with the normal USDC. So I'm going to tap on USDC. It's going to bring this disclaimer, just go ahead with your thing. Okay, so now indicate the amount of Ethereum the amount of Arbitrum ETH that you want to swap to USDC. I'm going to be spending little amount, so tap on confirm order. So this wallet guard is basically just telling me that if I do this, then it means they will deduct from my balance. So that's no problem, just go ahead. Now confirm in your MetaMask. So the swap has been submitted to the blockchain. It is currently pending. So the transaction is successful. Now I'm going to go to our second website, and this USDC that we just swapped into, I'm going to be making use of it there. So we are going to Swapr this time. So every link I used in this video, I'm going to have them pinned in the comment section for your convenience. So here is Swapr, and then the first thing you are going to do is to connect with your wallet. So tap on connect. Tap on next and tap on confirm. So here we want to add to liquidity pool, and we are using the ETH USDC pairing. So don't bother changing this pairing at all. Just use this pairing as you see it on my screen. So scroll to the bottom and then tap on add liquidity. So here indicate the amount of tokens that you want to add to the liquidity pool. I'll be adding just one USDC, and then if I enter one USDC, it is going to automatically add the appropriate amount of ETH. So here we are. I'll then tap on approve USDC, which means I want to approve the blockchain. I want to approve them to, take from my funds and then add it to the liquidity pool. So approval always comes first. So tap on approve USDC. So it is going to bring me the warning again that do I want them to take from my USDC? Just go ahead with your thing, tap on continue. Set your spending cap. I only want to spend one USDC, so I'm going to leave it at 1. Then tap on next and then tap on approve. So the approval is successful. Now we are going to finalize everything by supplying this token to the liquidity pool. So tap on supply, confirm your supply. Continue. Tap on confirm. So we've been able to successfully add this pair to the liquidity pool. So now we are going to move on to the next step. You can see my pool position here. This is the amount and the token pair that I added to liquidity pool. So we are going to move on to the next section, and that is to claim NFT on Galxe. So we are starting off with Dodo. This name reminds me of the name of one of our most active members in our Telegram group. It's Abdullah Dodo. Hi! So the first thing we are going to do here is to follow Dodo Exchange on Twitter. So now I'm going to go back to Galxe. So our first interaction with Dodo has been verified, and that is the swapping of USDC. Then I'm going to also verify the following on Twitter. The two are verified. Then now I can claim the NFT. So I'll tap on claim NFT. Tap on continue. Tap on confirm. Now we are going to move over to the second Galxe campaign, and that is the Galxe task for Swapr. So I'm going to open up my browser and I'm going to paste the link as well to Swapr. So here we are, our liquidity pool task has been verified automatically, so I'll just complete the rest by following them on Twitter. So I'll go to Twitter. Tap on follow. Now after following them, I am going back to Galxe. Then I'll verify it. It has also been verified. Now I am going to claim NFT, and I really love this week's task. There is no stress at all. Everything is verified instantly. So tap on continue. And confirm. So that is it, my friends. We have claimed the 2 NFTs for the week 5 of Arbitrum Odyssey quest. 5 weeks down, 2 more to go. If you have any questions, do drop me a comment in the comment section or join my Telegram channel. If you have found value in this video, please give me a like and also subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video.